This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
Starting with pricing, Yearli uses a hybrid model that combines annual subscriptions with per-form filing fees, giving businesses flexibility but also introducing cost variability. The core plan is free to start, but users still pay filing fees per form, which makes it suitable for very low-volume filers testing the platform. The performance plan costs $129 per year, plus filing fees, and unlocks broader form coverage, phone support, additional reporting, and higher operational capacity. The Premier plan is priced at $799 per year, plus filing fees, and is built for high-volume filers who need advanced reporting, unlimited TIN matching, multi-user access, local printing, and expanded form libraries. Custom enterprise plans are also available for organizations with specialized filing needs, complex data structures, or multi-entity reporting requirements. Beyond subscription costs, yearly pricing is affected by add-ons and timing. Filing fees vary by form type, delivery method, and volume, with options for federal e-file, direct state filing, recipient print and mail, and online recipient access. Peak filing periods can materially increase per form costs, meaning businesses filing close to deadlines or processing corrections late in the season may see higher total expenses. Additional charges may apply for corrected forms, reprints, extra state filings, or expanded integrations, making proactive cost tracking essential for firms managing multiple clients or high filing volumes. This pricing structure rewards experience and planning, but can penalize last-minute or reactive filing behavior. Teams that file early, standardize processes, and forecast volumes accurately tend to extract far more value than those operating under deadline pressure. Yearli works best when treated as an operational filing engine rather than a compliance advisor, placing responsibility for accuracy, timing, and filing decisions squarely on the user. Moving into features, Yearli is purpose-built for large-scale information return filing. It supports forms including 1099 NEC, 1099 MISC, 1098 W2, W2C, 1042S, ACA, 1094 and 1095, and various 94X forms. The platform offers bulk uploads, CSV imports, robust data integrations, payer and recipient management, automated validation checks, and error reduction tools designed to minimize IRS rejections before submission. Users can manage federal and state filings, recipient delivery, and historical records from a centralized interface optimized for seasonal workflows. From a pros and cons perspective, Yearli's biggest strength is scalability. Volume-based pricing combined with subscription tiers allows businesses to align costs with actual usage. Strong integrations, broad form coverage, unlimited TIN matching at higher tiers, and operational flexibility make it ideal for accounting firms and payroll providers. The trade-off is complexity. Pricing can become difficult to forecast when subscriptions, peak pricing, print and mail services, and corrections stack together. There is also no CPA advisory or year-round compliance guidance, meaning users must already be confident in filing requirements, deadlines, and regulatory interpretation. Switching fully to ACA Wise, this platform takes a fundamentally different approach by focusing on service-driven ACA compliance rather than self-serve filing software. ACA Wise specializes in Affordable Care Act reporting, specifically Forms 1094 and 1095, and is designed for employers who want expert handling of complex ACA rules, data validation, and IRS submission requirements. Instead of tiered subscription pricing, ACA Wise requires businesses to call for pricing or request a custom quote based on employee count, data complexity, filing volume, filing corrections, and overall service scope. This signals a consultative, compliance-first model rather than a transactional software purchase, which can be appealing to organizations prioritizing accuracy over speed. Feature-wise, ACA Wise offers two primary service paths, ACA Core and ACA Elite. ACA Core supports businesses that can provide structured employee data with ACA codes already assigned, while ACA Elite handles raw census, enrollment, and payroll data for organizations that need deeper support. ACA Wise manages IRS business rule validation, XML schema checks, form generation, internal review workflows, and IRS e-filing on behalf of the client. Optional services include TIN and USPS validations, state e-filing, employee print and mail fulfillment, and ongoing support during IRS correspondence. This approach significantly reduces internal workload and compliance risk, especially for organizations without in-house ACA expertise or dedicated benefits compliance staff. Looking at pros and cons, ACA Wise's biggest advantage is risk reduction. By outsourcing validation logic, eligibility interpretation, and filing mechanics, businesses minimize exposure to ACA penalties, late filings, and reporting errors that can quickly escalate in cost. This is particularly valuable for HR teams, benefits administrators, and mid to large employers managing complex eligibility rules across multiple employee classes. The downside is reduced control and pricing transparency. Because costs are quote-based and service-driven, budgeting requires direct consultation, and turnaround times for changes or corrections may depend on service workflows rather than instant self-serve edits. For ratings, Yearli currently holds a Capterra rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars based on 8 reviews. While limited in volume, feedback reflects mixed experiences around pricing structure and filing complexity rather than core filing reliability. ACA Wise does not currently have a widely established Capterra rating or sufficient public review volume, which is common for service-based compliance providers operating outside consumer SaaS marketplaces. The absence of ratings should not be interpreted as negative performance, but rather as limited public review exposure. Final takeaway: if you need scalable, high-volume information return filing with flexible delivery options and operational control, Yearli is the better fit. If ACA compliance accuracy, expert validation, and reduced regulatory risk are your priority, ACA Wise delivers a hands-off service model that removes complexity and compliance burden. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive software comparisons, and click the link below to explore both platforms and choose the solution that best fits your compliance workflow and risk tolerance.